Hi, my name is Jeff Puckett, and this is my introduction video to this senior class. Um, my first year field placement is actually with a homeless outreach program, but my job itself is actually senior services case manager for the same company. So I've been working with seniors for about 2 years now as the case manager, and it has been quite a challenging position in regard to lack of resources available to those seniors, especially in the area where I work, which is considered unincorporated. So it is outside of city and somewhat county elements. Um, so it's been really challenging. One of the biggest needs that I do see with many of my clients is that they've been approved for IHSS, but because of their location, finding a worker has been very challenging. Um, that on top of this pandemic that's in place, I'm seeing a lot of depression and anxiety popping up, and I don't have the resources available because everything's closed to incorporate social dynamics and engagement opportunities for them. And many of these seniors don't have internet, don't have computers, so they can't just jump online or do a Zoom class or something to that effect. Um, in regard to this class, I'm not sure that I have any burning questions at this time, but as we dive deeper into it and the readings and everything, I'm sure that I will. Um, anyway, I hope everybody's well. Sorry for the late post, and I will certainly look forward to working with many of you in this class. Have fun. Take care.